Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by launching TikTok and entering live. This gets you into the interface where text tools live. Once done, choose your live category and title so viewers know context, and make sure camera and mic permissions are granted. Now tap the effects or text icon near the record button to open the overlay. You want the text tool visible. This first action sequence places the editing controls on screen so you can add and adjust words while broadcasting. You now type the message using add text and choose why that phrasing matters: clarity, call to action, or context. After typing, use the font, size, and color controls to ensure legibility against background. This prevents viewers missing the point. Then drag the text to a non-obstructive area and set duration or tap pin so it persists. Make sure to preview placement briefly. Doing so avoids covering captions or important. You finish by confirming the text reads well across device sizes. Ask a viewer or use another device to double-check, because what looks fine on your screen can be tiny on phones. If text fails to appear, stop the live, check app permissions, and update or restart TikTok. That often resolves overlay glitches. Finally, keep lines short and high contrast so viewers quickly grasp the message. This boosts engagement and reduces confusion during fast-paced streams.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.